Come with me to level up this box cake mix with this epic tea while we break down 3 marketing lessons that every small business needs right now. Lesson number 1, your recipe is not what's going to differentiate you. Your flavor profile does. You can take the same basic thing, the same core functional service or skill set or product, but the way you deliver it, the way you bring it to the market, and especially the way you market it is what's going to make it different for you and for your audience. At the end of the day, everyone has access to the same base ingredients. You can make little changes here and there, but a cake is still a cake. Your brand is going to stand out when you find ways to add something memorable, intentional, and undeniably you. Lesson number 2, you don't have to start from scratch. Most successful brands begin with some variety of a solid foundation and then build something unique on top of it. First of all, one of the hardest things to do is to be one of the first people to market. All right, no judging my egg breaking technique or lack thereof. Brandon Sanderson, who is widely regarded as one of the leading fantasy writers, has a quote, and he says that things that break the rules have a larger threshold to overcome, and if they do, a stronger following. But that applies in business as well. If you're going to be completely brand new and try and start from scratch, you're going to have a lot more work to put in to get to results. This is great if you have funding or you aren't necessarily looking for the wins that my ADHD brain usually needs. For the rest of us, oftentimes it's easier to take something existing and find your own spin on it, your own way to make it uniquely you. Lesson number 3, your marketing needs smaller bites. When you try and make a whole cake, when your content is too dense, too long, or too complicated, people will check out. All right, I did not have icing bags, so I did find these. I think these will work perfectly well. If not, feel free to roast me in the comments, but I will throw out there, you aren't scrolling anymore. Cupcakes beat a full-size cake, at least for me, because I can try more, experiment more, improve faster. The same thing goes for your content. If you want your marketing to work this year, start thinking less about the recipe and a little bit more about the flavor.